Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make donuts with berry fruits. Ingredients: 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of yogurt, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, and berries, berry fruits, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, etc. as much as you want, but you can use chocolate instead. First, mix the flour, the sugar, the baking soda and the baking powder together. Then, in another bowl, mix the vanilla sugar, the yogurt and the egg together. Then, pour the mixture to the flour. Stir it. Then, it's time to use your creativity. Add some berries or chocolate or anything you want and as many as you want. Stir it. Oil the baking forms and pour the mixture into it. Bake it at 190 Celsius for 10 minutes or until they get browned in a preheated oven. Serve them warm and sprinkled with sugar. Enjoy your meal.